Hello everyone, welcome to my session again. Today we are discussing about very important molecular representation, that is Newman representation or Newman projection. In our previous videos we discussed already wedge representation and Fisher projection representation or flat representation. Now the third representation is Newman representation or projection. So this definition is common for all the molecular representations. That means organic molecules are in 3D space. Then we converted into 2D plane. 2D plane we observe the structure organic molecule in 2D plane. That's why we predict some rules and regulations for the prediction of organic molecule. In that procedure, Newman representation or projection formula is playing very much important to predict the molecule. In that, the first rule is see the molecule along carbon-carbon bond. Okay, carbon-carbon bond. Second one is nearest carbon to observer is the front carbon. Okay, for example, this is one carbon, this is one carbon. Okay, this is one carbon, this is second carbon. Okay, the second point is nearest carbon to observer is the front carbon. So here I am the observer. Okay, here I am the observer. This is front carbon, this is front carbon, nearer to observer. Okay, nearer to observer. Okay, this is, as of my eyes, this is back carbon. Okay, this is back carbon, this one blue color back carbon, away from the observer, this is front carbon near to observer, this is back carbon away from the observer. Okay, show the front carbon in dot. For example, here this one. Okay, this is front carbon, this is back carbon. Okay, now show the front carbon in a dot, just dot. This is front carbon representation. Okay, back carbon in circle, this is the circle, this is the back carbon. Okay, front carbon is dot, back carbon is circle. Observer cannot see the back carbon. For example, exactly this is my eye, this is front carbon, this is back carbon. I observe clearly the back carbon cannot see myself. Okay, because the front carbon is nearer to observer. Okay, the back carbon cannot see the observer. Okay, now good represent, see the back carbon. At each carbon 3 bonds must be represented. For example, this is the carbon. Okay, this is one hydrogen, this is one hydrogen, this is one hydrogen connected with another methyl group. So this must be 120 degrees. So each carbon having 3 bonds, 3 atoms, and each atom with 120 degrees of separation. Okay, this one 120 degrees of separation. Right, now this Newman projection is very useful to predict the representation for conformational analysis. What is conformational analysis? We see in olden classes. Okay, now this one H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, for example, this is which one? Fisher formula. this is wedge representation. Okay, these two are near to observer, these four are far to observer in Fisher representation. This wedge representation, these four are different, these two are different. So in Newman projection, okay, this is front carbon, this one and this one is front carbons, this one is front carbon, H1 and 4 are front carbons. Okay, no, this is front carbon, this is back carbon. Okay, front carbon having H4 and H3, observe carefully. For example, this is front carbon, this carbon is front carbon having H4, okay, then H5 and H3, H4, H5. Okay, back carbon having, this is the back carbon having H1, H2 and H6. Okay, numbering is very important, observe carefully. Here observe, this is front carbon, this is back carbon, this is front carbon. So just wedge representation, this is the Newman representation. Okay, here front carbon having 3 hydrogens, 4, 5, 3, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay, back carbon having 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6 is the back carbon representation. Likewise, this is the Newman representation. Okay, see here, this in methane CH4 there is no representation. Why? Because here there is no front carbon and back carbon, only one carbon, that is only one asymmetric center. Here ethane having 2 carbons, one is back carbon, one is front carbon. Back carbon, this is the back carbon representation, this is the front carbon representation, and one bond to one bond 120 degrees variation is compulsory, and this is the Newman projection representation. Now what happened, front carbon is common, see here, this is back carbon, this is front carbon. Now what happened, the front carbon is fixed with the same position, and back carbon rotates 60 degrees. Front carbon common, back carbon rotates 60 degrees rotation. Now the atoms are moved from one place to one place. This H4, H5, H3 is common. Okay, now this H1 comes here 60 degrees centigrade only, 60 degrees only. H1 comes here, H6 comes here, H2 comes here. So these two groups at one place, one angle is called, present at one angle, these two front carbon and back carbon present at one angle is called eclipsed. Now the back carbon rotates about 60 degrees centigrade. This structure is called gauge structure. Okay, gauge structure. This is eclipsed structure and gauge structure. Every 60 degrees the eclipsed structure converted into gauge, and every 60 degrees gauge structure converted into eclipsed structure. This 60 is rotated. At 120 degrees same structure is formed. Again 180 degrees, 160 plus 60, 220. Again gauge eclipsed is formed. So here now 60 degrees centigrade, 60 degrees, this H1 moves here and H6 moves here, H2 moves here. Okay. Again in back carbon rotate again 60 degrees, this H2 comes here, H1 comes here, H6 comes here. Again this is eclipsed. Again 60 gauge, again 60 eclipsed, again 60 gauge, again 60 eclipsed. This eclipsed molecule is equal to first one. For example, this is first one. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times rotation. That means 360 degrees rotation. Same first compound comes. Okay, this is called eclipsed and gauge structures. Okay, and front carbon, back carbon, and representation. Clear? This is Newman representation or Newman projection. Clear? Are you understood? Are you following me? Right. Please pause the video and read the rules to predict or to write the Newman representation or projection. This is very important. What type of questions in competitive exams? So they'll give you one Fisher projection formula and convert. Please this Fisher projection formula converted into Newman projections or wedge representation. Anyways, the question is formed. Okay, please read carefully. Thank you. See you in the next class.